everybody, this is Hallie Puckett with my current event for January 26th, because tomorrow's the 26th, January 26th, 2018. So, let me tell you about sea turtle eggs. It's really important, because it really is really important. So, because sea turtle eggs are considered a delicacy, many sea turtle eggs are stolen every year. They are considered a delicacy in many parts of the world, so each individual sea turtle egg can be sold for about $5 to $20 each. So, because of this price, turtle egg poaching is a huge problem. So, what are we going to do about it? The conservationist group Paso Pacifico has come up with a creative solution. They've made 3D printed sea turtle decoy eggs, which sounds super complicated. It's really not. It's just they're right here. And it's just this 3D printed thing, and it looks just like a sea turtle egg. And it's really cool because it has GPS inside. I'll tell you about that later. So, they have made them, and because they look just like real sea turtle eggs, they are designed to fool poachers into stealing them along with the real eggs. So, the decoy eggs are also the keepers of special GPS trackers that should show the conservationist groups where the poachers are taking all the sea turtle eggs. If many trackers go to the same general location, it could mean that a major trader has been found, which would be really good. So, the Director of Conservation Science at Paso Pacifico, Kim Williams-Gullen, said, quote, "We want to sneak them into the nests that are most vulnerable for poaching. It would be really easy for them to grab one of those eggs and not even notice it." Finding just a few key players in this trade could play a major role in completely ending the sea turtle trade. So, to summarize, sea turtle egg poaching is actually a huge problem, and to stop it, a conservationist group, Paso Pacifico, will plant decoy turtle eggs in high-risk nests this fall, and they're hoping that this will lead them to major players in the sea turtle trade. So, naturally, I got my current event from thegoodnewsnetwork.org, and this is my We're Excited page. It was published on the 23rd of January 2018, and date access was 25th of January 2018. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.